Okay, here we are now. I have removed the old boot. This is a brand new one for the inner drive shaft. Now this is the outer drive shaft, new boot as well. So we're gonna squeeze some more into there, squeeze some more stuff in there, some more grease. Yep. Just that one there. So we're gonna put some more, and then we're gonna actually put everything back together with new grease on both sides. Let's go back into here. Cleaning the hub, nice and clean compared to the old one. This is the old one we haven't done. It was very hard to take out the extra drive shaft because I think the drive shaft of this car was never out before. So yeah. Back to here, we're going to get some more grease into there to pack it up. Yep, some more. That's it, I think that's it. And then we're going to push it in. Clip is in properly on this side here. And that's it. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.